Hey there! If you've ever wanted to try quilting but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the basics of making your very first quilt. Let's keep it simple and fun. First, gather your supplies: cotton fabric and a rotary cutter, scissors and a cutting mat, plus a quilting ruler, pins and thread, and a sewing machine. Don't stress about fancy tools, just use what you have. Now, pick 2 fabrics you love. Pick 3 fabrics you love. Cut them into squares. 5 inches by 5 inches is perfect for beginners. Lay out your squares in a pattern you like. Get creative. Next, start sewing your squares together, right sides facing each other. Use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Most sewing machines have a guide for this. Sew row by row, then join your rows to make your quilt top. Once your quilt top is ready, layer it with batting in the middle and a backing fabric underneath. Smooth everything out and pin the layers together so they don't shift. Now, it's time to quilt. Sew straight lines across your quilt, from top to bottom, to hold everything together. Go slow and steady. This part is super satisfying. Finally, trim the edges and add some binding around the outside to finish it off. And there you have it, your very first quilt. Remember, quilting is all about enjoying the process, so don't worry about perfection. Thanks for joining me, and happy quilting!